How insurance policy may defend your expenditure in gold. Gold has been looked at a useful possession for centuries, and it has been utilized for different objectives, including currency, fashion jewelry, and expenditure. As an financial investment alternative, gold has verified to be a secure sanctuary throughout opportunities of economic anxiety. Having said that, like any type of other investment, gold is not immune to threats. That's where insurance coverage happens in. Many financiers disregard the value of guaranteeing their gold financial investments. They suppose that because gold is a substantial resource that they may hold in their palms, it is automatically secured coming from reduction or harm. However, this assumption is not entirely exact. While gold may be long-lasting, resistant to rust or rusting, it is still at risk to burglary or unintentional damage. For example, a thief could crack into your home and steal your gold bullion or pieces. As an alternative, a fire or flooding might ruin your gold holdings beyond repair work. That's why it's essential to take into consideration insurance policy as component of your general assets approach. Insurance policy may offer tranquility of mind, recognizing that you are protected against unanticipated activities that could lead in considerable financial losses. There are actually many styles of insurance policy plans accessible for shielding your financial investment in gold. Homeowners insurance. If you always keep your physical gold at house, you can add coverage for it to your homeowner's insurance plan as a useful item endorsement or advance. This style of insurance coverage will certainly shield you against burglary and damage created by natural calamities such as fire and flooding. Nonetheless, always keep in mind that individuals' insurance coverage policies have restrictions on coverage amounts for high-value things like precious metallics. If you possess a large amount of bodily gold at home, additional than the plan limit, you may need to have to purchase additional protection through an promotion or distinct policy. Vault storage insurance. If you hold your physical gold in a financial institution vault or private storing center such as Brinks Global Services or Loomis International, you may obtain safe storing insurance policies specifically made for precious metallics. This kind of policy covers your gold versus burglary, harm, and loss while it's stored in a protected vault. This type of insurance coverage is normally more costly than homeowners insurance policy insurance coverage because of the much higher value of the insured resources. Nevertheless, it provides additional tranquility of mind knowing that your gold is safely kept in an expert establishment and is totally insured. Gold ETF insurance. If you invest in gold via an exchange-traded fund, ETF, you can easily obtain insurance coverage for your allotments via the ETF carrier. This style of plan protects your investment against losses led to by fraudulence or other dangers affiliated with the ETF. Just before obtaining insurance for your gold ETF allotments, it's vital to went through the great print and comprehend what risks are covered and excluded from the plan. Some plans may have exemptions for certain types of occasions or might not cover reductions resulted in through market changes. Verdict. In review, ensuring your expenditure in gold is an essential step to safeguard yourself versus unpredicted occasions that could possibly lead in considerable monetary reductions. Whether you maintain bodily gold at house or keep it in a vault or spend by means of an ETF, there are actually several insurance coverage choices available to fit your needs. When looking at insurance coverage for your gold investments, be certain to look around and contrast policies to discover the finest insurance coverage at a budget-friendly rate. Don't think that because you have physical belongings of your gold that it's instantly defended from loss or damage. Take steps today to ensure that you possess sufficient insurance protection for all of your valuable investments, including precious steels like gold.